Okay, my friend, this is how to create superior content outlines to be able to rank at the top of Google. Now, remember, content is king, and so in order to know what the best content we can create will be, we want to look at this almost like that Thanksgiving dinner. If somebody's never experienced Thanksgiving before, let's say some Chinese immigrant came here and it's like, okay, what is Thanksgiving dinner? What does that look like? Imagine Thanksgiving dinner is the main keyword that is being searched for in Google. And it's not just an overstuffed turkey of an overstuffed keyword-filled article that Google wants to show search users for a particular keyword phrase. Google wants to give an appropriate Thanksgiving dinner to the search inquirer. And so if, for example, we have somebody searching and wanting to know, okay, what is this Thanksgiving dinner? Well, it's not just turkey, but it's also gravy. It's grandma's homemade rolls, lots of other things on the table that make up this beautiful spread for a Thanksgiving dinner. If we can present our piece of content as the most desirable Thanksgiving dinner that's the most comprehensive, the most helpful, useful for the search user, and desirable ultimately for a search user, Google is going to want to place this article at the very top of Google for the searcher to find that piece of content. So we have this content outline, and this is kind of a robotic. It's you don't want to spend more than 30 minutes on this. You just want to gather some data. Pretend like you are a Chinese spy. You're coming to the United States. You've never experienced Thanksgiving, and you're going to go around and you're going to spy to see, like, okay, what is currently working well for Thanksgiving. And so you want to look at all the different Thanksgiving tables and then gather bits and pieces and create somewhat of an outline of topic ideas that can be discussed. So this part of things is a little bit more robotic, and it's just information gathering, like I said. But this can be outsourced. This outline can be outsourced to a virtual assistant. And the virtual assistant can go through step by step. So what we're going to do here, and you don't have to do it exactly like this, but this is the absolutely most comprehensive way. And I'll blaze through each of these, spend less than 1 or 2 minutes on each. It'll be a little video for each. This will be how to have the ultimate Thanksgiving dinner, the ultimate content outline, so that you can have superior content to rank at the top of Google. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to create a new project here in Asana. And so we'll push this little plus button here, and then we're going to create the project. The template we're going to use is this content outline. And we're going to create that. Okay, so content outline, here we go. And what we're going to do is we're just going to rename this. So it's just not just the content outline, but we're going to use a specific keyword for this. We're going to use, let's see, starting a business. So we'll use starting a business, and we'll just put it in brackets here. Okay. So that is now renamed, and we're going to just go through. We've got one little thing after another. We just checklist it down. So the Google Doc we want to do is we want to create that, and we're going to list these tasks as though they are already accomplished in the past tense. And so if we were to click on this first one here, this first task, it's all in chronological order. This Google Doc, so we want to make a copy of this Google Doc here. So we'll go to this, we'll just click on the link. It goes to this Google Doc here. And what we're going to do is we're going to come to File, and we're just going to make a copy. And we're going to title that Starting a Business Content Outline. Okay. And we'll just make that copy. That's going to open. I can close the other one and we'll just get started here. So starting a business content outline. I'm gonna use that here. That's the main keyword here that we want to rank at the top of Google for, starting a business. And then as we gather our little tidbits, as we explore the other Thanksgiving dinners, we're going to see that there's gravy here as a subtopic. Mashed potatoes is related to gravy. Homemade mashed potato, whatever, right? And also sweet rolls and lots of, stuffing or whatever, right? So we've got this main keyword right here, which is starting a business. And then we're going to just think of related things and just kind of structure things so that we can easily access these ideas before we actually write the content. So we're just going to get some general, what's related topics, related keywords. It's really going to be very simple. So what we've done is we've copied the Google Doc outline. So we check that off. And then we put the main keyword at the top of the article. We check that off. And we renamed the Google Doc outline as the keyword. So that's done, that's done, that's done. Therefore, we can check that off our list. Okay? Now, content is king is the next part. So I'm going to stop this video, and you'll find access to the next video within this next section. If your business is already at 2.5 million or more, we invite you to check out our 10x Accelerated program at 10xflowseo.com, where we can work together to help you reach 50 million or over 100 million per year. If you're not yet at the 2.5 million per year, then feel free to like and subscribe to help keep applying all this video knowledge, our entire playbooks designed to help you get to 2.5 million per year for free.